Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money using Charles Schwab to checking step by step clearly. To transfer money using Charles Schwab to your checking account, begin by logging into your Charles Schwab account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Charles Schwab website. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, locate the transfer option on the main dashboard. Click on the Transfer tab to access transfer options. Select Transfer Funds from the drop-down menu. Choose the account from which you want to transfer money. Next, select your checking account as the destination for the transfer. Enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details to ensure accuracy. If all information is correct, proceed by clicking the Continue button. You may be prompted to review and confirm the transfer one final time. Check the confirmation box to acknowledge the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to finalize the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is in progress. Monitor your accounts to ensure the funds arrive in your checking account. It may take a few hours to a couple of business days for the transfer to complete. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Charles Schwab customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.